Dear students, next part is legendary polynomial. The legendary polynomial means arithmetic terms. Arithmetic terms, as we know, x, x square, x cube, x raised to 4. That you have to replace in terms of p naught of x, p1 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x, p4 of x. This indicates the legendary polynomials. By taking one example, these are the standards. P naught of x is equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x, P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1, P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2, 5x cube minus 3x, P4 of x is equal to 1 by 8, 35x raised to 4 minus 30x square plus 3. These are the standard legendary polynomials. By taking with the help of these polar standards, we have to replace our cubic equation in terms of legendary polynomial. Let us see. Now, they given a equation is x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. First we want x cube term, x square term, x term. Here 5 is there, means constant, that we want 1. First we have to replace with the 1. 1 is nothing but p naught of x. X is nothing but our p1 of x. Next we want x square term. Where is our x square? Here. Means this you have to rearrange. That is 2 p2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. This minus we can take this side. This becomes p2 of x plus 1 is equal to 3x square. Means we have to get it x square is equal to 2p2 of x plus 1 divided by 3. This is a x and this is a 1. After getting the x square, we have to rearrange with the x cube. That is, x cube we will get it from the p3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 5x cube minus 3x. As already we know x value also. Then first we have to simplify x cube term. 2p3 of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x square. 3x. 2p3 of x minus this left side it become a plus 3 x we have to replace it as a p1 of x is equal to 5x cube. Now therefore x cube we have to replace it with 2 by 5. This 5 we can take in the left side and it become p3 of x plus. Now I will simplify the denominator with each term. It is easy to write the simplification. Here also in the terms of x square, you have to make this 1 is nothing but p naught of x. P naught of x. Here also you have to make divided by 3 separately. And it is easy to simplify directly. Okay. After getting the x cube term, x square term, x term, 1 term, substitute in our equation, given equation 1. Substituting in 1. X cube. First x cube we have to replace 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x. 2x square. 2x square means this 2 you have to multiply for this whole the term plus 4 by 3 p2 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 p naught of x minus 4 is multiplied with the p1 of x minus 4 p1 of x plus 5 p naught of x. Now first we want a p3 term, that we have to write 2 by 5 p3 of x. Next we want p2 term, that is here plus 4 by 3 p2 of x. Next we want p1 term plus p1 of x. Take a constant here, plus 3 by 5 is there and here minus 4 is there. Next we have to take a p naught term plus p naught of x. is equal to 2 into 2 by 3 plus 5. Now you have to simplify. Now you have to simplify this. We have to get 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 4 by 3 P2 of x plus, here 5 we can take a LCM, 3 minus 20 is minus 17, minus 17 divided by 5 P1 of x. Next we have to take a LCM of 3, 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2, 17 plus 17 divided by 3 P0 of x. The cubic equation we rearranged in terms of P3 of x, P2 of x, P1 of x, P0 of x. This is a Legendre polynomial that we have to rearrange in terms of P. The second example is x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x. Means a biquadratic equation is there that you have to replace in terms of P4. Here they given that you have to show. Let first we have to take a P4 term. P4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 35 x raised to 4 minus 30 x square plus 3. Now we have to replace this x4 term in terms of P4 of x. That's why we have to rearrange 8 P4 of x. And the remaining term we have to take this side. It become plus 30x square minus 3 is equal to 35 x raised to 4. Now here also we want the x square term to replace. That's why we have to take a x square term. That x square term we will get it from the P2 of x. What is a P2 of x term? P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 3x square minus 1, and this become 2P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. The 1 is nothing but P0 of x. That also you have to replace. Plus P0 of x is equal to 3x square. Again we have to take this 3 in the denominator of both the terms separately. As I already told that you have to take separately for the denominator for each term. It is easy to simplify. P0 of x is equal to x square. Now you have to replace this x square term, and here 1. That 1 you have to replace it as a P0 of x. Now here you have to write 8 by 35 P4 of x plus 30 divided by 35. Replace x square as 2 by 3 P2 of x plus 1 by 3 P0 of x minus 3 P0 of x divided by 35 is equal to x4 term. Only we are replacing the x4 term here. Now we have to simplify that x4 term. X4 is equal to 8 by 35 P4 of x. This you have to simplify with the P2 of x. 60 divided by 9. 105 P2 of x plus 7 divided by 35. After simplifying, the P0 of x is equal to x raised to 4. Now here you have to replace again x square term. X square term we already got, and x is nothing but P1 of x. This is a x4th term. These are all the terms you have to replace it in our example. Now this become 8 by 35 P4 of x plus 60 divided by 105 is nothing but 20 divided by 35. P2 of x plus 7 divided by 35 P0 of x. Minus 3 is multiplied with this x square term. 3 get cancelled. Here it become a 2. P2 of x. Minus is multiplied for both the terms. Again 3 get cancelled. P0 of x plus P1 of x. Now you have to simplify this one. That is 8 divided by 35 P4 of x. Next, P3 term is not there. P2 term. Here one P2 term is there. Here one P2 term is there. By taking the LCM of this, you will get minus 10 divided by 7 P2 of x. Next, P1 term. One P1 term is there. That we got P1 of x. Next, P0 term. P0. 7 by 35 minus 1. That become a 6 divided by 35. That we have to get it 4 by 5 P0 of x. This is our RHS. This we proved with the biquadratic equation. Similarly, you have to do all the example in terms of algebraic to legendary polynomial. The third example, we have to show that P2 cos theta is equal to 1 by 4, 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta. As we know in our legendary polynomial, what is a P2 of x? That we have to write here first. P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. Here, just we have to replace x as a cos theta. P2 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, 3 cos square theta minus 1. Now, here we want in a linear form. That's why cos square term we have to replace it as a 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. And here only cos is there. This 2 we have to take it in the denominator. That's why 1 by 2 we have to keep as it is. 3 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 minus 1. Now you have to simplify 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Now we want in terms of that divided by 2 means 1 by 2, 3 by 2 cos 2 theta you have to write as it is, and 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by taking the LCM of 2, 3 minus 2 become a 1. This become plus 1 by 2. Means 1 by 2 we have to take a common. It become 1 by 4. 3 cos 2 theta plus 1. This is a first condition that we have to replace in the place of x as a cos theta. Now second one is a P3 of cos theta. Second one is P3 of x is equal to, in the place of x again we have to replace it as a cos theta. Here we have to get P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 5 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Here also we want in the linear form. That's why this cube we have to convert. Cos cube theta is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. That you have to replace it and it become P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 keep as it is. 5 keep as it is. Only the cos cube theta you have to replace it as a 1 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta minus 3 cos theta. Now you have to simplify 1 by 8, 5 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 5 into 3 15 divided by 4 cos theta minus 3 cos theta. Now you have to simplify the term by taking 5 by 4 cos theta keep as it is, and you have to simplify only the cos theta term. Here 4 is a LCM. 4 into 3 is a 12. 12, 15 minus 12 is a 3. 3 cos theta divided by 4. 1 by this is a 1 by 2. Okay. That we have to prove in terms of 8. Now it becomes 1 by 8. 5 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. This is a P3 of cos theta. Like this, similarly you have to prove that P4 of cos theta also. They asked in a model question paper. This type of one problem they will ask compulsory in a C part of model 4.